Hi guys, today I'll be working on Hyundai i30. So I'm about to do high pressure pump sensor replacement. So this is the sensor. So I want to change it, replace it because it's showing the fault on the diagnosis machine. So I perform diagnosis on this machine and it's showing this sensor is faulty. So a quick way to replace it. What I'm doing this video, a quick way to replace it though, is a 3 volts. This is the new one. This is the new one. So to replace it, there are 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. So if you come to this old one, you can see there's one there, there's one there, and the last one is in between this pipe, which I can't get any push to with my tool. So the only option I have to take is to move this manifold to have access to it. So I'll show you step by step how you can move the manifold without no breaking anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you just have to move this 10 bolts here for the clip, and another 10 here to slack, another 10 here to slack this one, this 10 here to slack it. Also there's 210 here, 10 bolts to slack this L, and there's another one here, there's another one here to slack this one. So there's 4 10 bolts you need to slack to move this, to free this return pipe. So this is one, this one here, that one here, that one here, and this one here. After losing that, you just have to slack this wire room a bit, and this wire room is just how many bolts? You just need to lose these 3 bolts. It's 10. This 3 bolt is, sorry, this 3 bolt is 1, 2. This is the second one here, second one, and the last one is here. To lose it, to slack the wire, to put it to this side, to have access to, there's a bolt here for the manifold. There's one bolt here, you can see, which I slack that bolt there, which is 10. I just have to lose all these 12 bolts. You can see all of them. You can see them from here, all these 12 bolts. Oh yeah, 12 bolts. So I'll show you step by step how you lose all of them. After slacking all of them, I'll show you how to go about it. Okay, stay tuned. So you can see I have slacked all of them. Sorry for the light. You can see they're all slacked. All slack. 7 of them, 7 bolts. And look at all the bolts here. 7 with 2 nuts. With this one is a nut, and one here, and one. That one there's a nut. So you just have to lose all of them to have access to the manifold. So this is the sensor successfully out from high pressure pump. Successfully, I have to like move this. So this is the new one. It's going in there. I just have to like slack the manifold a bit to move the sensor. So now I just have to put it back, then pull the sensor in, then start the car up. Yeah, it's a good day to relax, man. I'll show you step by step. So guys, the new sensor is successfully in. So what I need to do is just to tight all the surrounding bolts for the manifold. Tight all the surrounding bolt for the manifold, then couple everything back. And I will show you step by step how you can tighten everything back, just to put all your bolts back in. Your 12 bolts, 12 May hex, that's 7 of them. Put all of them back, put your sensors in, your accelerator in, and I'll start it up. I'll show you. You can see it's starting clean and fine, and everything is okay. No leakage, no one installed, perfectly fine. So after, I have to plug in my diagnosis to clear all code. This is the reason why I changed the fuel sensor, because this was the previous diagnosis I diagnosed. So now I put on the new one, so now it's not showing history, so it's gone. Because it was showing permanent, so I just have to clear code. We clear code, then it will on. Okay, all code clear, so everything gone. So just like and follow for more, subscribe to my channel to learn more on cars, United Kingdom and USA. Thanks very much.